Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's Quick Tip. I'm Chris, and I'm here with Mike. And today, we'll be talking about measuring color from a physical sample in Ergosoft. So, Mike, practical scenario. My customer has a physical sample of, let's say, a piece of fabric they have previously printed, maybe from another service provider, or maybe something that they've produced. They want us to replicate that color. What are the tools and what is the process in Ergosoft so we can measure that color and then ensure we can match it on our printing system?
To do this, let's hop into Swatchbooks real quick. In Swatchbooks, you have this button right here called Measure. So I have my Spectro here. I have it plugged in, ready to go. So I'm just going to click Measure, and it'll pop up with your measurement window. This Spectro has to be calibrated, so let me hit OK, and it'll calibrate. And then as you see on the bottom, it says Measure Sample Color. So all you have to do is take your Spectro and your fabric sample, put your Spectra on there, push the button, and you'll see it'll pop up with a add color window. So this is to name your color. So let's do stone gray. Now, once we hit OK, close this out here, we will have it in the library right here. So this is our color we just measured. It's in here with LAB values. So since it's LAB values, you could take that color and you could use it on a different printer. You could give it to your, you could give that name to your art team and they could use it for design. And then what you could do is you could take this stone gray color and put it into your name colors. So it'll be automatically replaced with the correct output, which we'll cover the name colors in just a moment. But because like I said, this is lab, you can basically take this and you can use it on multiple different printers, multiple different platforms. You can use it however you want, basically.
Okay, so a couple quick notes. Mike brings up a great point. You can export your color library. We've covered this in a video. So you can add physically measured samples to a digital swatch book, which will then enable you to provide someone using design software with the measured color that they need so that you know you can replicate that color on the print side once you get that dialed in. Another quick note. Today, for this demonstration, we're using an X-Rite i1 Pro 3 spectrophotometer with the 8mm wide aperture, which is designed for fabric applications. However, we support a very wide range of spectros and they're on our website. So if you're not using this particular device, not to worry. Ergosoft can cover a very wide range of measurement devices. Continue.
Thank you. So with that color added to our swatch book, I'm going to hit OK, and I'm going to jump into my named color library. So here's my library. So since we already have it measured, we can just click into our swatch books, look for our color, and hit apply, and you'll see it popped into our named color library. Now from here, as we covered in other videos, you can use this for automatic named color, spot color replacement. So if your designer or your customer uses stone gray as their name for their swatch or their named color in their artwork, it will automatically replace with these values that you have for this color. So what you could do is print this color, compare it to your fabric sample, and if you need to make adjustments, you can using the print similar colors, which we covered in another video. And then you can make the adjustments up here. And then from there, when your customer uses stone gray, it'll match that original fabric sample. You can also just start from here. If you know you want to use the name color workflow, you can also just start from here by doing add measured color. So same process here for calibration. Once it's done, it says measure sample color. So I have a mouse pad here, which you can't really see, but let me put this on the mouse pad. It's a black mouse pad, a charcoal gray almost actually. I'll call it black. black 44. I like that number. So now you have that color in here, right? So same, once again, you could use that in your, right now, you could use that in your artwork and make adjustments if you want to the CMYK, but you could use that in your artwork and it'll automatically replace the name color, spot color with that value.
That's great. Okay, well, that will do it for today. Thanks for watching, everyone, and please contact us if you have any questions.